Hi guys, today I'm doing a review of these glass containers. These are sold as overnight oats containers, but I actually use them for many different things. Now that the kids are back in school, I use them almost every day to prepare their breakfast, lunch and snacks for school. Now I'm gonna prepare their snacks for tomorrow. I already cut different kind of fruits, peach, raspberry, strawberry and some grapes. One thing that I like about the set that all four containers they have different color of lids, which is very convenient. I can use one color for my daughter, the other color it's for my son, so in the morning there is no confusion about whose snacks is in each container. The jars are 10 ounces, which I think it's really nice size for breakfast, yogurt, fruit, snacks, chia pudding or even small salads. They have a wide opening, so it's easy to add the ingredients and also easy to eat directly from the jar. There is a silicone sealing ring inside the lid, so that helps to create a tight seal. Also, I like that the jars are stackable. I added some water to test if the jar is leak proof. I will turn it upside down and you guys can see that there is no leak. I already prepared the kids snacks for tomorrow. My daughter gets this color and then my son gets the jar with the brown lid. Especially on busy school morning, anything that saves me a little time, it's a win. And with the different color lids, everyone knows exactly which breakfast belongs to them.